Hey Amazon, I am gonna give you a review for the Newhouse door chime. The unit, it's at a good price. If you're looking for a no-frills doorbell that's easy to install with the included instructions and hardware, you can't go wrong. Simple to follow instructions. From those instructions, there's some tools that it recommends that you have. You get those tools and do the installation per the instructions, and it'll be spot on. If you're looking for a doorbell that's easy to install, that has a good sound, then you can't go wrong with it.
So here's the new doorbell. I ordered it yesterday. It came today on Amazon. I'll give you a test ring. Sounds pretty good.
Okay, Baja. Okay, so I installed this bell, and after that, there's no true tone in that. Yeah, it's like it's not the other part of it. That one, it's not going up. I know something wrong with the bell or what.
Yes.
Go.